Welcome to this guided meditation designed to help you detach from overthinking. Whether you're navigating anxiety, obsessive thoughts, or feeling depressed, this practice will gently guide you toward a sense of calm. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you can sit or lie down. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this moment. Take a deep breath in, hold it, and exhale slowly. We'll begin by centering ourselves through the breath, observing the mind, and gradually detaching from the constant chatter of thoughts. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Take a moment to notice your body. Feel the surface beneath you, whether it's a chair, the floor, or a bed. Sense the gentle support it provides. Now, take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice any tension there. Imagine it softening with each breath. Slowly, move your awareness down your face, your forehead, eyes, cheeks, and jaw. Release any tightness. Take another deep breath in, hold it, and exhale, letting your shoulders drop. Shift your focus to your chest and stomach. Notice the gentle rise and fall with each breath. Feel your arms resting at your sides, your hands heavy and relaxed. Move your awareness down your legs, all the way to your feet. Feel the connection to the ground. Repeat to yourself, I am supported, I am safe. Now bring your focus to the sounds around you. Listen carefully. Let these sounds ground you in the here and now. Take another slow inhale and a long, calming exhale. Notice the rhythm of your breath. It doesn't need to be forced or controlled. Simply observe it as it is, in and out. Imagine each breath bringing in calm and releasing tension. If your mind starts to wander, gently guide it back to your breath. With every inhale, say silently to yourself, I am here. With every exhale, I am calm. Let's turn our attention inward now. Without judgment, notice the thoughts that arise in your mind. You don't need to fight them or push them away. Simply observe them as they are. Picture yourself sitting on a river bank. Each thought is like a leaf floating downstream. Just watch as they pass by. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, let any tension or resistance flow out of you. If you find yourself clinging to a thought, acknowledge it gently. Say to yourself, I release you. Then return to your breath. Repeat this silently. I am not my thoughts. I am the observer. Imagine your mind as a huge open sky. Thoughts are like clouds drifting through. Some clouds may feel dark or heavy, while others are light and fluffy. But no matter how many clouds there are, the sky remains untouched. You are the sky. Your thoughts are just passing clouds. Now, bring one persistent thought into your awareness. Maybe it's a worry, an obsession, or a self-doubt. Visualize it as a cloud in the sky. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, watch the cloud drift farther and farther away. Let's try this with another thought. Notice it without judgment. And with your next exhale, watch it dissolve into the openness of the sky. Repeat silently to yourself, thoughts come and go, but I remain steady and calm. Let's return to the body now. Scan yourself from head to toe, noticing any lingering tension. Begin at the top of your head and slowly move downward, releasing tightness as you go. Take a deep breath in, imagining fresh energy filling your body, and exhale, letting go of tension. Focus on your jaw. Allow it to unclench. Soften your shoulders, letting them drop away from your ears. Release any tightness in your chest or stomach. Feel your legs become heavy and relaxed. Say silently, I let go of tension. I let go of overthinking. Now, imagine a warm golden light glowing in the center of your chest. This light represents calm, clarity, and strength. With each inhale, the light grows brighter. With each exhale, it spreads throughout your body. Feel this light move into your arms and hands, down through your stomach, into your legs and feet, until your entire body is bathed in this warm, peaceful glow. Repeat silently to yourself, I am grounded, I am at peace, I am free from overthinking. Whenever thoughts arise, imagine them being absorbed into this golden light, dissolving effortlessly. Let's practice a final visualization to strengthen your detachment from overthinking. Picture yourself standing on a sandy beach. In your hands, you're holding a small jar. Inside the jar are your worries, obsessive thoughts, or fears. Now, imagine opening the jar and letting the contents spill out into the wind. Watch as the wind carries them far away, out over the ocean. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel the weight lifting off your shoulders. You no longer need to carry these thoughts. The ocean has taken them away, leaving you with a sense of lightness and freedom. Let's end this meditation by affirming your inner strength and resilience. Repeat silently to yourself, I am not my thoughts. I am so much more. I am calm, present, and at peace. Thank yourself for taking this time to nurture your mind and body. Remember, this practice is always here for you whenever you need it.